सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर एक भरोसेमंद गारंटीड होम ट्यूशन है और ये होम ट्यूशन के अलावा ऑनलाइन टीचिंग का भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार कर चुकी है। तो ऑनलाइन ट्यूशन और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक होम ट्यूटरिंग ये जो सारे फैक्टर्स है इसमें अवेलेबल है। तो इस सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर को आप ज्वाइन करें और अपना जो फ्यूचर है वो ब्राइट करें। तो इसी तरह हम इस सक्सेस एजुटेक और होम ट्यूटर इनको अपनाए, यही विनती आप सबके लिए।
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success EduTech. Today we are watching some GK questions. These questions are connected true or false system. So now I am starting my session. True or false GK questions for kids. The best thing about true or false questions is there are 50% of chances to score a point even if you don't know the right answer. Some of the primary GK questions and answer in this format are as such. Caterpillars turn into butterflies. This is the first question. True. Yes. Caterpillars turn into butterflies. Adults have a total of 34 teeth. It's false. Adults have a total 32 teeth. This is the right answer. Next question. There are 30 days in May. False. 31 days in May. This is the right answer. New York is the capital of America. False. New York is not capital of America. Cinderella's carriage turns into a potato. False. Next question. Half of 250 is 125. This answer is true. An ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain. It's true. A jellyfish is 95% water. True. Plants gives us oxygen. True. Bubblegum contains rubber. It's true. 8 o'clock in the evening is written as 8 a.m. False. Bacon was part of the first meal eaten on the moon. True. Spinach originally comes from iron. True. Watermelons are originally from Australia. This answer is false. Black Forest cake has the same colors as the traditional dress of the inhabitants of the Black Forest in Germany. True. There are over 330 different dog breeds in the world. Yes, it's true. Thunderstorms have a particular stand frequencies that can hurt a dog's ears. True. Adult dogs and adult humans have the same number of teeth. False. The deadliest earthquake of 2017 took place in Iran and Iraq. True. Electrons are larger than molecules. False. An ostrich eye is bigger than its brain. True or false? True. Chameleons have extremely long tongues, sometimes as long as their body. True. So, today we have watched some true or false GK questions and their answers. So now I am completing my lecture. Namaskar.